Hello friends, Madhu here. I am going to explain today topic is how to reducing in a weight losses. The 2 points I am going to explain this video. Losing weight involves a combination of healthy eating, regular physical activity, and adopting lifestyle habits that support your goals. Here are some tips to help you with weight loss. Set realistic goals. Determine a realistic and achievable weight loss goal. Aim to lose weight gradually at a rate of 1 to 2 pounds per week, as this is considered a healthy and sustainable pace. Create a calorie deficit. To lose weight, you need to consume fewer calories than you burn. Calculate your daily calorie needs based on your age, gender, weight, height, and activity level. Then, create a calorie deficit by consuming fewer calories through a balanced diet. Eat a balanced diet. Focus on consuming nutrient-dense foods that provide essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Include a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats in your meals. Avoid or limit processed and high-sugar foods. Be active. Engage in regular physical activity to burn calories and improve overall fitness. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity aerobic exercise or 75 minutes of vigorous intensity exercise per week. Incorporate strength training exercises to build muscle, which can boost your metabolism.